Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
Hi guys, so we're here in France in a small town called Fréjus, and I'm here with the lovely Tamannaah Bhatia, who's here shooting for the Queen remake, also called Queen Once Again in Telugu. So Tamannaah, let's start from the basics. Tell me how Queen came to you, how did it all happen, and why did you say yes, and what are your expectations from the movie?
I watched the original Queen in 2014 when it came out, and I saw it in the 8th week of release, which clearly means that the film was doing extremely well, and I'd heard so much about it that I was literally forced by my friends to go watch the film. After I saw the film, I was like, this film has to be made in the South. I remember actually meeting Vikas once and asking him, "Arey, aap South mein kyun nahi bana rahe ho?" and all that. And but yeah, I mean, that matter just got left there, and thereafter Manu sir came about, wanting to make this film, and he had a very interesting concept that he wanted to make it with 4 different leading ladies in 4 languages.
Now, speaking of remakes, this is your second remake, I believe, from Bollywood to Southern language. So
yes.
you've done Jab We Met's
Yes.
remake before this.
Yes.
So is it a cautious thing, or it just happened to you?
It just happened actually. I think for me, when I did Jab We Met, redoing Bebo's role was extremely difficult because she's such an amazing actress, and I am a huge admirer. And I think I primarily did Jab We Met's remake because I was really moved by the character, and I think this happened again with Queen.
Right.
And I felt like the story must be told in the South, so I completely was excited to be a part of it the moment I heard of it.
How hard was it to get into the role, and what are the similarities between Queen and Tamannaah Bhatia?
So one very major similarity is I've never traveled alone in my life.
Okay.
I've never gone on a vacation alone.
Oh,
Ever.
no solo trips ever?
No solo trips ever. So I've never actually experienced going on a vacation alone.
Right.
In this film, clearly she's on her honeymoon, which I hope never happens to me alone.
My next question is that I had asked the same question to Parul as well as Kajal. So Kajal said that she's tried not to watch Kangana's performance because she wants to bring her own take into it. Whereas Parul had a completely different take on it. She said, I have seen it 40-50 times because I want to be prepared.
Yeah.
So what about you?
I think when I started wanting to be a part of the film, I saw it once in the theatre. Then before I was about to be a part of it, I saw it once again. When I came on board, I thought I will not watch it again, to be honest. That was my first thought about it.
Okay.
But then as I once again happened to watch it, and I realized that I need to recreate them in a native way that Telugu people will understand.
Right.
And that Telugu people will relate to. And that came majorly from dialogues, because in Kangana's character, she is from the north, she is from a small town, and the Hindi slang that she uses is a very Delhi slang.
Yeah.
So that works for that film. Hence, I
Right.
felt that I need to find that same kind of nativity in Telugu way.
Right.
And hence, I watched the film several times over to understand what is that nativity that I need to catch on.
Is doing some projects in the West or in Hollywood is something that you're looking at, or if it just comes along, if an opportunity comes along, is it something that you'd be open to doing?
Definitely. I think today an actor in India especially has become a global actor. You have that ability to influence the West, because
Yeah.
a film like Bahubali, which was it's a Telugu film, which reached out to the international market, clearly there is a chance.
Any Bollywood projects in the pipeline anytime soon?
Yes, actually I am reading a few scripts which I will be able to talk about more in the near future.
Okay.
But definitely Bollywood's in the pipeline.
So you've been shooting in France since a while. What do you miss the most about home?
Achar. I mean, so much so that I actually asked somebody to send me achar from India.
Okay.
And of course my parents and my family. Achar sounds very like fancy, but at the end, home is home, and and I'm quite a homebird actually. I love vegetating at home. It's like my favorite thing to do.
And what do you like the most about France?
It's very peaceful. I live in Mumbai, so I come from a city which is very, very crowded, bustling, energetic. Nobody sleeps before 12 o'clock in the night.
True.
12 o'clock is still like
Early.
they're still early.
Yeah.
But yeah, I guess this place has a lot of peace here. There are people, but not too many.
Okay.
It's extremely scenic. We're right next to the sea. Regis gives us, I mean, where we are right now, I can see the sea from here.
Right.
My gym is the beach.
Wow.
So yeah, I mean, those are the luxuries of kind of
Yeah.
shooting in a place like this.
Yeah.
And of course, a chocolate and cheese is to die for.
So French people are also known to be very stylish, and you are also like a fashion icon for many. Pinkula is always on it. So let's say 4 tips. What would your 4 tips be?
I think feminine chic is what I think a lot of Parisian women dress. They also can do a lot of layering, which we can never do because we don't have that kind of weather.
Winters, yeah.
So because it's really cold, I love the fact that they can layer up, and they can layer up with some really interesting color tones because it suits their weather.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think most of them are very sharply dressed. You will not see them so like, I think India you'll see a lot of boho dressing.
Yeah.
But you won't find that much boho dressing.
I've noticed people don't wear prints here.
Barely. It's more solid.
Solid colors.
Solid colors.
So
yeah,
that'll be
yeah.
your tip. So if you have to dress Parisian chic, solid colors, layering, and
Sharp.
Yeah.
I think they're very sharp.
Alright, great. Last question. What makes you feel like a queen?
I think accepting myself as who I am makes me feel like a queen, because then there is no sense of pretense. You're not trying to impress anyone. Just having fun every single day, doing something you love and enjoy. నా బ్రతుకు బస్ స్టాండ్ అయిపోయింది. నా సెన్స్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమర్ చాలా బాగుంటుంది. మీకు వెళ్తూ తెలిసిపోతుంది. నేను ఇండియా నుంచి నా హనీమూన్కి ఒక్కడే వచ్చాను. నేను విజయ్ కన్నా చాలా బెటర్ లుకింగ్. అందరూ చెప్తుంటారు నేను విజయ్ కన్నా బెటర్ లుకింగ్. ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ దిస్ వీడియో, లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ Pinkvilla.